Hello and welcome to the product overview of our desk converters. They're extremely useful as sometimes a standing desk isn't the best solution for you and it can be tough to find an alternative.
First, we will be going through PA-TW3M. This is our most affordable and compact desk converter. No assemblies are required and 5 preset height positions have been added to the design, giving you a wide variety of heights.
The safety lock has been included for each of the 5 height positions on this desk converter.
In order to unlock it, all you gotta do is grab this latch and then push down. Once it goes all the way down, you make it move off again. Our second model here is the PA-TW7M.
Assembly of this desk converter is simple. All you have to do is attach the included cable tray. The height of this desk converter can also be set to any position in its stroke. All you have to do is locate the lever on the right-hand side. Just squeeze the lever and the desk will raise to the height that you want. And there you have it. It's set exactly to where you'd like it.
Now, let's talk about our PA-TW-E7M, our motorized desk converter. Motion is achieved through the press of a button. It is slightly larger than our mechanical desk converter and has a higher weight capacity of 55 pounds.
Changing the height position of this desk is achieved through pressing the 2 buttons located on the right-hand side of this desk converter. The benefits of using this is that you can have a standing desk on any surface that you already have in your home.
All of our desk converters have an 18-month warranty. We guarantee quality and durability.
If you don't love it at first, you can always return or exchange it within the first 30 days.
If you want to take the leap and check out our standing desks, we have a variety of options ranging in price and size.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart furniture and home office content.